Welcome to the Teacher's Corner. This week's topic is about immigration policies and procedures, which are not so easy to understand. A lot of the concepts that we want to explain to students aren't easy to understand either. But one of the best ways to teach them is actually have students explain the concepts themselves or teach these concepts to other people. So today I will be exploring with you 4 different tools that we can use to help students explain concepts or to help us as teachers explain concepts in better ways to students. We're going to start with the tools for teachers. Then it's 2 tools. There are way more tools, but just 2 for now. And then we're going to talk about the tools for students. I want you to notice that these 4 tools can be used by both teachers and students. It's just that the tools for students are intuitive, and a lot of these tools, students already use them. So the tools for teachers, the first one that I would like to talk about is EduCreations. To be able to use EduCreations, you just need a little bit of creativity and learn how to use the tools. It's very easy. Let's watch this video. Using EduCreations is easy. All you have to do is press the rec button. Start writing with your finger or a pencil for the iPad, and the screen automatically records what you have put in there. If you want to add a picture, all you have to do is click on the image, choose the image you want to, type the image, choose the image you want to, click on it, move it with your fingers just like you would do an iPad. With 2 fingers you enlarge it or you minimize it, and you're done. You can annotate, use typing if your handwriting is not that good, and that's it. Everything is done live, so there is no editing afterwards because recording stops. And that's all. Easy to use. The second one is BlendSpace. It used to have a different name. The only little problem that I would see here is that it is time consuming at the beginning if you do not know exactly where to locate the resources. If you're going to be finding the resources at the same time that you're creating a lesson, it's going to be a little time consuming. But other than that, it is a great tool. And I have a little video also for you to look at. BlendSpace is like Pinterest in a way. It's a pegboard where you can put all the lessons that you can find on YouTube or videos on your own. For example, in this case, they want to do a lesson on periodic table. They do the search and they find all these videos already made about the periodic table. You can drag them and put them on your board. The difference between this and Pinterest is that in Pinterest, you have to go to another window. You have everything here, and you can prepare a lesson. You can name the lesson, upload it, and share it with your students. It's that easy, and I do recommend that you try it. But now, I have this section specifically for students. You can have your students explain concepts using these 2 applications. The first one, it's free, again, free and easy to use. If you spend a lot of time on Facebook, you will know what this is. And have you seen one of these comics on Facebook? They're called Bitstrips. Bitstrip.com, it's a way that people can personalize themselves into cartoons. We're going to see a very short video on how Bitstrips works. Due to time constraints, it is not possible for me to explain step by step how to do a Bitstrips. But here I made a very quick recording of what it looks like on Facebook. I suggest that if you do have a Facebook account, go to Bitstrips on the search bar and just open your account. It's easy, and just like me, you can set it up to be totally private. You can make your own avatar, make cartoons, make stories, and most important, interact with your students. They will think it's so cool. The next one is also, it's a great way to organize ideas, thoughts, not to mention improve writing skills, just like the rest of the tools, all through storytelling. This one is called Video. Video is video.co. It has advantages and disadvantages. It's also free. But at the beginning, it might get some time to get used to, because these are applications for making a video, so it's more than just a comic strip. You have to make the characters move, have dialogues. So at the beginning, you may spend a little time teaching this program, although it's very intuitive. It's just a matter of playing, just like a video game. And check, it's not .com, it's .co. Here is a very quick video on how to log into Video.com and how to start from a blank canvas to select your characters, the colors, the backgrounds, the movements, how to edit movements and positions, how to add figures in the background, how to add text and dialogue, also how to add a scene so that you have a storytelling to say. Second scene, third scene, students can have as many scenes as they want, and they can manipulate all the movements, the timings. It's a lot of fun. You should try it too. So this was video, and the characters are funny. Students are already also using this. They share it on Instagram and on Twitter. This is all for today, and these are tools to explain concepts. See you next week.